Hello, this is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and overviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information and my channel will rank better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In this video overview, we will look at new version of program 2025.2. I will compare this version with previous one, website X5 2025.1. The biggest change in this version is PWA. The PWA, Progressive Web App, feature allows a website to be added to a user's device home screen for easier access. When a user visits your website, they will see the corresponding message and will be able to install your website. Activation within website X5 require minimum configuration. Let's go to General Information. Here we can check this checkbox, add shoot name, change the theme color, and that's it. The platform handles the technical setup automatically. After installation, the website appears as a standalone icon on the home screen and opens in full screen mode similar to native app. This functionality is applicable to various types of web projects and can be especially useful for online store as it enables quicker access to the site, products browser and other placement. Let's see how it looks on a mobile phone. This is a Google Chrome on Android. I'll pass my website address. Here at the bottom we can see install, just click it, wait for a while. I have some messages about it, and now we can see my website here. I can click and I'll get it from my screen to the browser. The next change is RTL support. Creating a website in right-to-left languages such as Arabic requires more than a simply align text to the right. The entire layout, including menus, navigation and content flow, must be adjusted to support nature reading and interaction. In website X5 2025.2, we can see automatic RTL layout support. Just select something from this or automatically based on language. When RTL language is selected for a project, the software mirrors the page structure and text alignment to match the reading direction, reducing the need for manual adjustments. This feature is particularly relevant for projects targeting RTL-speaking regions such as Middle East, or for more expanding the international reach for e-commerce platforms. Existing multi-language websites can also benefit from this update, and RTL versions can be added without rebuilding the project from the ground up, helping maintain consistency across different language versions. The next change is Pexels in Image Library. Let's see Image Library. The integrated image library now includes access to over 3 million royalty-free images from Pexels, in addition to existing content from Pixabay and Deposit Photos. Pexels is known for its wide range of high-quality royalty-free visuals. Free and premium images have been combined into a unified library, allowing users to search and filter all available resources within a single interface. Smart filters help streamline the search process, and images can be added directly to the project without leaving the software environment. In the latest version of program, object effects have been expanded beyond previous functionality. Effects can now be triggered either when the object appears on the screen or during page scrolling. Let's see the settings. Here we can select the option. Here we can select some effects. Settings for effect duration and type allow for more precise control of the visual behavior. Let's save it. Let's look for result. I add this effect to this object. This is an image. Let's see. And here it is. In website X5 2025.2, page level effects has also been introduced. This enables transactions to be applied to the entry page, with configurable duration and the option to change the browser window color during navigation between pages. Let's see here. We can see New Effect button. Here we can change some effects, browse background color, and display time. Let's see the result. For example, go here and now go here. Also, we can change it. For example, like this, or like this, or like this. The next change is a zoom effect for raw formats. As you can remember, we have here raw formats, and for image list background, here we can see new effect type zoom. Let's see. Here it is. There are also other changes, for example, increase the speed of the program installation, added the Moldovan lira among the available currencies, and many other fixes in the program. In the following video tutorials and overviews, we will look at other useful objects and features of the program that will help you during website creation. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new tutorials.